Baby girl, I have to go bye-bye. You want me to stay? But I gotta go see Justin. I gotta go, princess. Crystal, I gotta get ready to go. I gotta get ready to go, little girl. You got that little death grip on me. You think I must? You want me to stay, don't you? But I gotta go. Oh, there I go. Oh, you covering me up so I can't go? Alright, I'm getting ready to go. You better hold me down. Oh, 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 you get my hand. Oh, God, you're trying to break my arm. Alright, I gotta go. Bye. I love you, Crystal. Hello. Alright, I gotta go then. You better say you love Daddy then. Alright, I gotta go. I'm sorry, baby. All into your world, huh? Alright. Say bye, Daddy. Bye. Bye. I say bye. Well, I gotta go. Bye, baby. Oh, you got Daddy's hand again. Oh, look at that bottom. I love you, baby girl. You want Daddy to stay here with you? You say, stay here, Daddy.
Daddy.
I love you.
No.
You don't love me?
Yeah.
Then why am I gonna stay?
I love
I love you?
Yeah.
That's why I should stay?
Okay.
And stay here?
Yeah.
I'm happy I can interpret what you're saying.
No. Daddy.
She did. Mimi and Pawpaw and Boo Boo?
Daddy.
What about Day Day?
Yeah.
Alright. Give me hugs, bye. That's not a hug, just death grips. Bye.